going on? In today's video we're going to be checking out the new volcano map, so let's go straight to the cosmetics. Okay, we're here. So first you have this hat, and also I bought this badge before uploading this video, and we have this, and we have this hammer, oink, oink, oink. And then we have this parrot, and then we have this pepper. Wait, can I eat it? Oh. What the frick? I thought someone was in my server. I'm gonna take them off. And then we have this seashell, I think it is. Can you hear that? That's cool. And then we have this mug. Oh. And then we have this. Oh, what's this? Wait, can I cook my marshmallows then? Oh, it's cooking fast. Make this lighter, I think it is. Oh, you eat it. Okay. Then we have this. Hey, where is it? It's on my finger. And then we have this free badge. For uploading this video, I already got it. And this umbrella. So let's go check out the rest. Okay, we got the rest. So we have this. I think shoot like flames. That's not already in the game. Oh, then we have the psycho fire hat. Then we have this. And then we have these tree stuff. Oh. It's like an astronaut, but it's rainbow with this mask. Okay, and then we have this like I got burnt in the fire lava, I'm pretty sure it is. Okay, then we have this jumper, and we already checked that out, so let's go to the volcano. Okay, I'm down here. Don't really know what to do. Are these like lava rocks? So what if I get in it? Do I get like launched up there? No. Okay, I have no clue what to do. What if I put these in here? Wait, what? Wait, what the frick? Making some noise. Holy crap. Holy frick. What's happening? What's happening? What the frick is happening? Is that lava? What the frick? No frick. What the hell? No. Holy crap. Let's go play one game of Floor's Lava. When I get out this start. Okay, start in 3, 2, 1. No. Wind infection. Holy crap. Lava.
Bro!
Okay, the lava's just going down. Don't really know where this flat is.
Oh, the lava's got you.